Hello, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm just going to show you the completion of the carpentry works at this Woodlands. So let's take a look now. This is the main entrance. As you enter, I've created a foyer area. So this foyer area has got this terrazzo-like porcelain tiles. Okay, and once you enter, on the right side is actually the bomb shelter. So for the bomb shelter, there's this concealment using this flush fitted door. Okay, over here there's no storage because it's very shallow inside. So I just shift the switch out. This is a full set of shoe cabinet display. Okay, there's going to be a wall lamp here. Okay, so what facing the main entrance is actually these glass blocks. Okay, there are 72 glass blocks over here. It's very heavy, so in case you have some intention to have a glass block, then make sure the framework can support the weight of the glass block. Of course, the glass block can also be installed on the floor, but over here you can see there is a base. So the glass block is all sitting on this base. Total about 300 kg. Take note of all the weight of the glass blocks combined. So over at this side here, there's a hole. Actually, there's not a hole. It's not for you to enter. There's going to be a low bench. So this low bench is just beside the shoe cabinet. So the shoe cabinet has got some drawers and storage here. So behind the shoe cabinet, there is this altar area. So I've created this altar area, very spacious, and the altar is facing the window. You can see that there's a small downlight there. Okay, at the same time there's two vertical strips LED. There's a backing here. Okay, the backing is a spray painted gold colored stainless steel sheet. Okay, it's not installed yet. Somewhere here, it is here. You can see. Okay, it's a piece of stainless steel sheet mounted on plywood. Okay, over here there's going to be the TV console. So as you can see right now, this my taller is actually doing the grouting of the glass blocks. Okay, so he has to smoothen every edges. It has to be as smooth as possible. Okay, without seeing any cracks here and there. So let's move towards the kitchen. So at the kitchen, this dry pantry. There's a pocket door. So after some discussion, my client decided not to do the pocket door. So this pocket door is going to be removed. Of course, this shelvings here and the pantry area will still be here. So over there will be the kitchen cabinet. This is a countertop, okay, like a peninsula counter. And over here there's some more storage, okay, with another open niche. Okay, so as you enter to the common bathroom, I can see common bathroom. There's this dividing wall with shampoo niche or some display niche, as you can call it. And at the back will be the shampoo niche. And this is the shower area. So for this shower area, there isn't any shower screen. Okay, so she's gonna buy the shower curtain. So the space has to be as wide as possible. As you can see here, this is very nice marine blue color mosaic. Okay, so I have used this for the top part of the bathroom tiles. Okay, at the bottom part is still the big format tiles, which is the 600 by 600. Okay, and then it follows through at the vanity area here. There's some storage cabinet here, mirror and LED light. Okay, and this is a sinter stone top with a drop down front panel. And over here is a recess spacing. So at the bottom there is a door. Okay, but this door is just door and frame because doesn't want to have a cabinet below. So I just want to make a door and frame for her. This is the entrance to the master bedroom. So this door and door frame is also customized by my carpenter, as it will actually blend in very well with the entire laminate being used. Okay, so that's the entrance door to the master bathroom. Okay, so master bathroom, also no shower screen, and we've chosen this jade green mosaic tiles. Okay, a bit longish one. There's also a low niche here for shampoo, and this is buy off the shelf vanity cabinet. WC is here. So this is the mirror cabinet with LED strips and storage. Okay, so once you step out here, okay, my client wanted to have a pantry area in their room also. So this is a pantry area, some drawers below. There's some hanging, some open hanging here. Of course, there's going to be a sliding door with a fluted panel, see-through. Okay, and this will be their wardrobe. And over here, I've hacked away the wall to access the study room. So at the study room, there's also a wardrobe here. There's a headboard just in case they want to put a single size bed. Okay, and there's a sliding door to the study room, but it's hidden inside this pocket. This is a partition wall that's being constructed after the door has been installed.